My client's $500 annual gym membership prevented $50,000 medical crisis. Here's the health wealth breakdown. Meet Linda, age 68. She complained about her $42 monthly gym membership being too expensive. So I showed her this math. How about her annual investment in the gym was 500 bucks, and she saw a personal trainer twice a month for 1,200 bucks, totaling 1,700 bucks. But her financial returns in year 3 prevented prediabetes, which saved her $3,000 annually in medication. In year 5, she avoided some knee replacement surgery, $45,000 and up. Year 7, no heart medications needed anymore. Saved $2,400 a year. Linda's now 75, still independent, recently booked a Mediterranean cruise, and has saved over $80,000 in medical costs. She tells everyone, my gym membership is the best stock I ever bought. What's your best health investment? Share your wellness wins below. I'm Debra Morrison, showing you that health is wealth.